at SeaWorld after like 3 years, I think it's been, or more. She's not happy. She's tired, and I made her come.
We're at SeaWorld. The last time I went was my 31st birthday. I want to say I turned 31 was the last time I was here. He took me for my birthday. I think that vlog's up. I can tell you one thing. If SeaWorld ever shuts down, he will definitely be upset.
She's in a bad mood. I look horrible. I've been working on the house all day. I look like I should be on a deserted island. Look at my face, my beard, everything.
Yes.
Look like I've been abandoned and lost. SeaWorld gets a bad rap, but I love it here. That ride. Manta has a special place in my heart. I used to work it. I love that ride. The pretzel loop is awesome.
No, it's not.
She's saying it's not. The pretzel loop is awesome. Pretzel loop used to be like my coffee in the morning because I would always offer to test ride it in the morning, and I would always do the front row because you got to ride it and check all the speakers, make sure if it breaks down you can hear the safety spiel wherever you're at. So that was literally my coffee.
Oh, ooh, flamingos! Vivid Anta loves flamingos. Look how pretty. It's talking to y'all. I didn't know they made noise. Look, one's on its leg.
It's a bird. You don't
Yeah?
think they make noise?
I don't know, I've never been around flamingos. I think he wants to ride that. I don't know. I can say if you are in the Orlando area, the tickets, I'm gonna see if he'll do at the end how much everything is. They're super cheap, and they're not doing no down payment, which is nice. And with SeaWorld, I can tell you that you get a ton of coupons. We already have free passes to get people in. And for it wasn't just my birthday, but when we were here for my birthday, they had like free alcohol for us, and we had like $10 vouchers each to spend on whatever the heck we wanted. All kinds of different things. I'll have to see if T-Rex will do like a video on, well, at the end of this video, like everything that promotions they have right now in concert. They're always sending out different promotions. They're always out sending out different coupons. I didn't do like theme parks and stuff really until after we were dating, and he took me here. So all this is like, I don't even know, culture shock for me basically. Not no more. But in the beginning, I'm like, oh my goodness, wow, this is what it's like. And I'm just like, oh yeah, it's great though. It's just the shock wow factor isn't there as much as it used to be because I don't come here like once a year or save up and know like in 3 years I'm coming to do all of this. Like most people would. So we'll put out their glasses. We're walking in. My least favorite ride ever.
What?
I said we're walking in, my least favorite ride probably ever.
Oh, it's the best.
It is not.
Back or front?
Middle. Back. Back. I'm telling you people, he hates me. If Universal was like this, I would be there so much more. There's literally gaps. No lines. Why can't Universal be like this?
She forgot how much she doesn't like this ride.
No, I remember how much I hated it. Velocicoaster's not even that bad.
We gotta go see the picture. Is there anything you want to say?
I hate this ride.
you look like you just got in a car wreck. I love that ride.
Velocicoaster isn't that bad.
The pretzel loop is awesome. We got the back. The front's better than the back though.
That's not safe.
Can you repeat that?
Huh?
You want to repeat that?
For 5 seconds, I could not breathe. It's not safe. At least Velocicoaster, you can breathe. And on top of it, him and his dad were laughing at me. I'm so happy I'm there for their entertainment. And he wants to ride it again. Oh no, I'm good.
Can't even see your face.
Thank God. There's
See
me.
your face.
Thank God. Let's pop
The picture is right before it goes up to the pretzel loop.
Oh,
We gotta wait for the slow one.
Here you go. That's when a nightmare starts.
I promise I'll do better to not look so bad on camera going forward. And we gotta get a chest mount or something so we can record the rides here. Because when I used to work here, if somebody had a GoPro on their wrist or on their chest, we just had to call the supervisor to come double check it, make sure it's good. And as long as it's secure, they got to ride and get their video. I don't know if it's still like that, but hopefully, because I need to get some footage on that. I need a POV of the pretzel loop so y'all can see what it's like. Maybe I'll get it to turn around. I get to face her face on the ride the whole time. That'd be hilarious. I said we're gonna get the wrist mount or something, and we're gonna ride this ride. I'm gonna have it facing your face the whole time.
No, you're not.
I think it'd be funny.
I think it'd be. Maybe next time I have some money, I want to get this. It's Italian iced mango made with fresh daily with real fruit. That sounds so good right now. Especially because like it's hot. It's basically summer here in Florida. It says spring. Sadly, I know it's gonna get hotter. Which is like, oh my goodness. If you want to like sweat, come down to Florida. Trust me.
Yeah, this is the first time for us on this ride.
That's a rare case.
Last time I rode the penguin ride, it was like this family-friendly, like dancing penguin ride. Apparently they changed it to some mini coaster. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is all new. This is completely new, even to me. Yeah. That's cool. Penguins!
Oh my goodness, look at
Or as the Doctor Strange actor says, penglings. Penglings.
Look at one's arms out.
There's an interview he did where he kept messing up saying the word penguin.
Oh my goodness, it's so cute.
It's cold. I love penguins! I'm swimming. They come during the day with the lights on. Gentoo Adeli. It's a nice little kiddie roller coaster. I liked it. Shockingly smooth in some areas, surprisingly rough in others. We're headed to go ride Journey to Atlantis. I've rode it in the past. I honestly cannot remember anything that happens in it. I know it's like a water roller coaster mix. If it's on, I don't think this one's up either. We were gonna ride Journey to Atlantis, but they're not loading it. They're just sending it empty constantly. So now we decided we're gonna come ride Kraken. It looks like it's not open either. A lot of people are walking out.
Alright. Make up your mind.
Never mind. It's working. I haven't rode this ride in a couple years. Actually, last time I rode this, they were testing out that VR stuff, and it didn't work. I don't know how much more I'll be able to record today. Battery's at 18%. But whatever we do film, I will cut into a video. Someone lost their socks. Weird.
Okay, so we just got off that ride, Kraken.
It was funny, Dad said, I said how you were cheering on this one and enjoyed it. At first you were scared. And then he goes, yeah, I heard her cheering on Manta. I was like, that was not happy cheer.
Oh, heck no, that was fear. I think we might ride one more ride and then we're gonna head out because they close in like 15 minutes. If we ride anything. We wanted to ride that. Did we ride that? I think we did. Yeah, we did. The guys look like he's swimming. That one was a lot of fun. I didn't realize like how intense it was going to be. Relax and recharge. They have charging stations where you can charge your phones. I love that. I will give this to SeaWorld. Wait. Hate that ride. Hate it. Hate it. Hate it. Don't like it. Call me a hater. I hate that ride. But more areas, like more parks should have that. They should have areas where you can sit and like charge your devices. Because I know some people like, you should be more in the moment and stuff. This has your pass. This, if you have fast passes, sometimes people have it hooked to their phones. You're taking pictures, videos. You're communicating with people saying, hey, I'm at this ride. Well, this one's a 10-minute wait. This one's a 45-minute wait. Do you want to meet me over here? A lot of things are connected to this. Aquarium, the beautiful ocean. Let's go. I want that yellow fish, it's so beautiful. Ooh, I found a sticker. Cannot tell, but I love stickers. It's an emo, Aaron calls them. Nemo, or emo, Nemo. So cute. Goodbye, SeaWorld. Sadly, I will be back.
Thanks for visiting with us today. SeaWorld is now closed. Please gather your belongings and head towards the highways where shops are still open for your convenience.
All right, we're down to 4% battery, so we're gonna do a very quick outro. That's probably it for today. We'll be back again and spend the whole day, get a lot more footage. This was a very, very spur of the moment thing that I just kind of sprung on her, so it was a surprise. And that's it for me. Now it's her time.
I love you all. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Follow the links in all my links are in the description. And if you want to come join the fun of my random lives or my random life, please subscribe. We will see y'all. I will see y'all in my next adventure. Bye.